this video, I'm going to show you 11 brilliant ways to make your home smell good. There's something about a special home scent. You're not always totally aware it's there, but when you walk into a room that has a certain smell, you're immediately hit with a memory of a time or place. To create this effect, you first have to eliminate any foul smells. Next, use these 11 tricks to make your house smell good instantly. Number 1. Flowers. This is an old favourite, but still one of the best. Buy a bouquet of flowers and leave them on your counter, dining room table or coffee table. Not only are they pretty to look at, but they also will make the room smell great. Number 2. Clean with lemon juice. Did you know that you can clean with lemon juice? You can use it to clean the shower and remove soap, scum and limescale, as well as combine lemons with baking soda to clean the toilet and leave your house smelling of lemons and freshness. Number 3. Hang eucalyptus in your shower. Have you ever noticed a musty, wet dog scent when you're taking a shower? Shower drains are always susceptible to mould and contribute to the rusty, musty smell that fills the air at the beginning of a shower. Create a natural and refreshing scent by hanging some eucalyptus sprigs in your shower. The hot water and steam causes the eucalyptus to release essential oils into the air, making your bathroom smell like a 5-star spa. Number 4. Bake something. Bake some delicious cookies, brownies or cake, and your house will not only smell great for any guests you're having over, but you'll also get the bonus of having cookies or cake to eat. Number 5. Burn, spray and smoke out the smell. Candles, natural air sprays, incense are excellent weapons against bad smells. These products are the strong and fast way to bring some lovely fragrances into your home. However, to keep you from being stifled by too much perfume, it's best to make sure all the scents are the same or at least complementary to each other. Too many different fragrances and your home will smell like a potpourri factory. Number 6. You can boil cinnamon. This is a super easy method which works just as well as a room spray. It doesn't contain any dangerous additives, it's cheap and doesn't involve going out and buying anything, assuming you've got cinnamon in your house. Simply add a couple of cinnamon sticks or sprinkle of cinnamon into a saucepan full of water and bring it to boil. Simmer for a few minutes until the smell disperses throughout your home. If you've got a large house, you can even carefully carry the pan around to different rooms and let the smell evaporate in each room for a bit. Number 7. Open a window. You probably know the old classics of opening a window, take out your trash, clean the toilet. It seems pretty simple, but it works. And these simple tricks are normally the best. All you need to do is open a window or door and let some fresh air in, especially when the weather is nice. Sunlight also helps to kill smells, so let some light in when it's sunny outside. Number 8. Make your own room spray. You can make a super easy air freshener spray out of lime juice, water and baking soda, which neutralizes smells and will leave your house smelling great. It's not expensive to make and it's completely natural. Number 9. Potpourri. Using a natural dry ingredients creates a fantastic and wonderful smelling potpourri in no time at all. Once mixed, place it in bowls and spread them about your home. Number 10. An easy natural air freshener. Gather some pine cones on your next nature excursion. How many you want is really up to you, and add a couple of drops of your favourite scented essential oil. Cinnamon, for example, is a lovely seasonal scent for the up and coming fall. Place pine cones in a basket and enjoy the scent. Number 11. Homemade reed diffusers. Make the entire room smell divine with some essential oil reed diffusers. The flavour can be your choice, of course. To make your own reed diffuser oil at home, you're going to need a few drops of your favourite scent of essential oil, being careful not to let the essential oil touch your bare skin, and you're going to need a carrier oil like almond oil. Then put it in a narrow-necked glass bottle with reeds and make sure you keep it out of reach of small children and pets. And then all you need to do is place it on your mantelpiece and sit back and enjoy the smell. I hope you've enjoyed these natural ways to make your home smell wonderful, and if you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the amazing health benefits of a Himalayan salt lamp. Thanks for watching and bye for now.